They were traveling in a car. They took a stop for taking tea, and again they tried to start. That time the engine gave trouble. It could not pull the vehicle, so engine got off. So some breakdown was there. Then these people started thinking, because all are engineers, they don't keep quiet. The mechanical engineer says, so I heard a bang. Probably it's a piston seizure inside the engine. You have to open it and do the repair, otherwise we can't move. Immediately the chemical engineer says, no, it cannot be that big. So it must be the problem with fuel. We could fill it in the previous petrol station. So probably it's adulterated. So when the quality of the fuel is not good, normally this happens. We have to replace the fuel, clean the system, and we can go ahead. The electrical engineer says, no, I feel that there is some jumping of the current, grounding, and the spark plug insulation got spoiled. That's why the spark is not coming in the cylinder. So that's why that's the problem, maybe the electrical one. And ultimately the software engineer is also there. So these people were looking at him, anything he wants to speak. Then he said, now I have a solution. Rather than you told the problems, I have a ready-made solution for it. So what is to be done? So let all of us go out and get in again. They do not understand anything, but okay, they followed it. So they went outside, again they came inside. This time the driver started the engine, the vehicle moved. So these people were surprised. So what happened to this? So then I asked, see, we have a very limited knowledge when compared to you. What happened to this? No. Whenever I face problems with my computer, when the virus problems are there, so I will erase every file and reload, and the system starts functioning. So the same solution I have told you, you followed it and it worked. I don't know what happened. So ultimately what happened there, here the driver fellow has forgotten to release the handbrake, and as usual when they went out and they came in, when they start as a practice, he released the handbrake. This time there is no problem, the vehicle could run. So altogether the story is that we people will be confined or focusing our attention to only one area. All the engineers, they did that, and they are not thinking beyond that. So kupastha mandukam, what you say. So we live in our own world, and we don't cross the border, then we may not be able to find out the solutions. That's where this college, particularly the Department of Mechanical Engineering, could realize, and they have organized this wonderful conference where different people are there, they are deliberating, and there is an excellent opportunity for everybody to update their knowledge, to know what is happening, and this makes the people to have the collaborations and cooperation with different people, and it is going to help them also in their own research. Ultimately, our aim is the society where number of problems, you need to look at it and give the solutions for that. Today we see the contributions from mechanical engineers in different fields: the sustainability of the environment, agriculture, food processing, then transportation, water management, housing, energy sector, and manufacturing sector. We are witnessing so many innovations, and if you look into day-to-day news, we will be seeing so many things, and sometimes we appreciate them, sometimes we also feel that we are a part of that. When I did my PhD at IIT Madras in 1987 to 90, so this is a problem on a three-dimensional modeling of in-cylinder flows. We are the pioneers that time.